Downloading account data from iCloud can help you access and manage your information easily. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate and click on your account name or the settings icon. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your data. Step 3. Choose data to download. In account settings, look for the section labeled Data or Manage Storage. Here, you will see a list of the types of data available for download, such as photos, documents, and backups. Step 4. Select Download Options. Select the specific data you want to download. You may have options to download individual items or entire categories. Click on the relevant options to proceed. Step 5. Download your data. After selecting your data, look for the download button or link. Click it and your data will begin downloading to your device. Depending on the amount of data, this may take some time. Now you have successfully downloaded your account data from iCloud. Make sure to check your downloads folder for the files.